Start the intro.
It gotta be Tony. It'll be Tony.
Tony.
He's getting a new car.
He's getting a new car. Alright then guys, it's Midnight Racing. And we got
this
Tony.
video is sponsored by Slim Jim.
Alright,
on the
Tony.
way to pick up a 370 today, hopefully. Everything goes well. And I can drive it home.
Alright, bet.
See you a little bit.
Yep. Alright, and then
Pop boy, get it in.
alright then. Hey Chris, what do you have to say? What do you have to say to this?
Shit. Send it.
Send it. Alright, let's go. I know.
Goddamn GPS, I think took me through the back roads or something.
Yeah. Y'all
No.
I think you're supposed to go through.
Yeah.
I know, they have it on for you, Tony. There's a new beauty.
Some Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah, you told him to turn it on and everything already?
He's at fuck the test drive.
Yeah. Probably like a. We got like a little yellow mark right here.
Lock.
Let's get one today.
Get it, Eric.
Just told up.
84 months. I think that.
4 months coming in.
Now, see if I get him like a little van, like those white ones.
Yeah, you can put all your tools in there.
Dang, what you gonna do? Cut grass with him?
Y'all wanna run up that mountain? First one that makes it buys the car?
Yeah.
Hey, it's just some trees. They're that tall.
That's probably like a good mile.
Huh?
You know, I used to do it in Radar.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
looking at them flatbeds, Chris. The thing is, they want $80,000 for them.
Just the flatbed or the whole truck?
No, the whole truck, yeah, but
We can ride over the Ford then.
Alright then, Tony, so what do you gotta say now that we're here?
Shit clean, man.
You excited?
That shifted what? That's small as hell. Give me the ball.
Oh yeah, let's look at the interior.
you need like a nice ball or like, I like the ball.
Man, he had like that shit in low.
Have fun. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're going, man.
All right, thank you, man.
Get in there, Tony.
Car. All right, be careful going down 441.
Alright then, Tony, what's the plan?
Switching the wheels out so I can
Switching the
get these for the Z. Black.
Okay. Then we're gonna make some better adjustments. Is that right, Chris? Ain't that right? Make some better adjustments?
Yes.
Then what happened to this car?
Nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it.
It still works.
Buy her in your body.
Alright guys, so far we have a little update. Back to start wheels. Start wheels. What are y'all doing now? Vacuuming? Hey Tony, what you gotta say? Oh dang.
Go fishing.
Look like that spare tire's never been used. Oh, used to. Oh, snap. I can't put that in the video, Tony. That co-hanger. The boom mic. Tony. Here's his car. You gonna miss it? Cry, Tony. Cry for the camera. Here comes the waterworks.